Bust a move, Groovers! Kym and Logan bought their 70s Spanish-style home with a renovation in mind that would help them create the perfect future family home near schools and transport. But when builders' quotes were $500,000 and their budget was only $400,000, they needed alternatives. Their backgrounds and can-do attitude made them good candidates to own-a-build their project. Needless to say, when the reno was completed at $380,000, everyone was ecstatic.
Our house in the middle of our street.
Reach out to us if you have more questions by filling in our contact form or apply online for a Speedier Service.